Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. I welcome you all in another interesting art and craft video. So let's see what I'm going to draw in today's video. Let's proceed with this first drawing. Here I am going to draw an old man. So it's done. Now let's proceed with the next drawing, which is a cute kitten. So first of all, I'm going to draw its face, and like this, its hands, and it's holding a heart. And this is done. Now let's proceed to this drawing. So here I'm going to draw a character. So I'm drawing its face and its legs. Now let's make its mouth and color it. And this is done. Now let's proceed with this drawing. So here another cartoon character I'm going to draw. So let's draw it. So you can use a pencil or a black marker, and on a plain paper you can draw objects. Wonderful. Now let's proceed with this drawing. This is another cartoon character. Let's draw its eyes like this. See how simple it is. Just you need a pencil and a paper and color pens for making it more beautiful. Now let's proceed with this drawing. So here I'm going to make this cartoon. This is a pig. Now let's color it. Now let's proceed with this cartoon. Here I'm going to draw Pikachu. So let's draw its eyes like this and let's color it. And it is done. Wow, beautiful. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. You can take wonderful drawing ideas, and in this way you can utilize your free time. You can draw objects like this. So here I am going to draw a flying bunny. Now let's proceed with this drawing. I'm going to draw Pikachu. Have you all heard about Pikachu? So let's draw it and let's make its eyes and mouth. Now let's use color pens for coloring it. And this is done. Now let's proceed with this drawing. So here I'm going to draw a kitten. Let's make its face and now color it. Wonderful. Now let's proceed with this drawing. Let's draw its face like this. See how simple it is? Just you need to draw curves and shapes and lines, and with this, these wonderful cartoon characters you can draw easily. So here I'm going to draw these things in very easy manner. All you need a pencil and a paper